passing this phone to someone that like eating donuts on the table.
Ako yun? I'm passing this phone to someone na mahilig sa boiled egg.
I'm passing this phone to someone na very thoughtful and maalaga.
I'm passing this phone sa grabe kumain.
Bigyan mo doon.
I'm passing this phone sa lagi kong kaaway.
I'm passing this phone someone na katabi ko pag kumakain.
I'm passing this phone to someone na medyo mayabang.
I'm passing this phone sa kalmado lang.
I'm passing this phone sa pinakagwapo kong teammate.
I'm passing this phone sa artista ng team.
I'm passing this phone sa kasamahan namin na pinakamaganda, pinaka-fresh, pero iyakin, and laging galit.
Hindi ako galit ba? I'm passing this phone sa player namin na tamad, late, pero magaling naman.
I'm passing this phone to the rookie MVP.
I'm passing the phone to someone na laging nag-TikTok and parang alam niya lahat ng dance steps sa TikTok.
I'm passing this phone sa nagtitinda ng isda.
I'm passing this phone to someone na laging maaga sa training.
I'm passing this phone sa MC namin kanina na super energetic.
I'm passing the phone to someone who's always with me during hosting.
I'm passing this phone to the double golden champion!